Are you ready to explore one of Switzerland's most unique and lesser-known regions? Welcome to our travel guide to Jura, a hidden gem that will captivate your senses with its breathtaking landscapes, charming towns, and rich history. As part of our Ultimate Switzerland playlist, we're excited to take you on a journey through this picturesque region. In this video, we'll reveal the top attractions and activities in Jura, providing you with all the essential information you need to plan your dream trip. So sit back, relax, and let us be your guide as we uncover the magic of Jura. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate travel companion. We bring you the best travel guides and tips to make your trip unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified when we publish new videos. Embarking on an adventure through the Swiss Jura is a journey into a world of untamed natural beauty. This rugged mountain range nestled in the northwestern corner of Switzerland is more than just a picturesque backdrop. It's a playground for outdoor enthusiasts and a sanctuary for those seeking solace in nature's grandeur. The landscape of the Swiss Jura is a tapestry of rolling hills, deep valleys, and sparkling lakes, offering a feast for the eyes at every turn. As you traverse this majestic terrain, you'll discover hidden gems like the Lac de Joux, a tranquil lake embraced by dense forests and medieval charm. For a truly immersive experience, consider staying in a cozy mountain hut or village like Les Crozets or La Chavanne, where time seems to stand still amidst the breathtaking vistas. Whether you're a hiker, a nature lover, or simply someone in search of tranquility, the Swiss Jura promises an escape from the ordinary. But the allure of this region extends beyond its natural wonders. The Swiss Jura boasts a rich cultural heritage that's waiting to be explored. From traditional Swiss villages to historical landmarks, there's a lot to discover. Imagine strolling through the cobblestone streets of Delmonte, the capital of the Canton of Jura, and marveling at its medieval architecture. Or perhaps you'd prefer to explore the charming town of Bonfil with its quaint houses and picturesque surroundings. History buffs can delve into the past at the impressive Château de Sumer, a medieval castle that stands as a testament to the region's fascinating history. To make the most of your adventure in the Swiss Jura, consider planning your trip around one of the region's many festivals and events. The Jura offers a delightful array of festivities throughout the year, each showcasing the vibrant culture and warm hospitality of its people. Imagine immersing yourself in the lively atmosphere of the Festival International de Musique de Chambre de Laimont, a classical music festival that attracts renowned artists from around the world. Or perhaps you'd prefer to experience the thrill of the Festival des Francos de Sierre, a celebration of francophone music that features both established and up-and-coming artists. Now let's talk about a topic that's crucial to any trip: accommodation. The Swiss Jura has a range of options to suit every taste and budget, ensuring a comfortable stay during your visit. If you're seeking tranquility and natural beauty, consider staying at one of the many charming guest houses or B&Bs scattered throughout the region. These cozy establishments often boast stunning views and provide a true taste of local hospitality. Imagine waking up in a room with a breathtaking panorama of rolling hills or a sparkling lake, knowing that you're staying in a place that celebrates tradition and warmth. For those seeking a touch of luxury, the Swiss Jura has some exquisite hotels that offer top-notch amenities and unparalleled comfort. These establishments, many of which are located in picturesque towns like Delmonte or La Chavanne, provide the perfect blend of elegance and relaxation. Picture yourself unwinding in a beautifully appointed room, indulging in delectable dining experiences and enjoying impeccable service that caters to your every need. Now, no trip to the Swiss Jura would be complete without a culinary adventure. The region's gastronomy scene is a delightful fusion of traditional Swiss flavors and local specialties. Prepare your taste buds for a journey that celebrates the freshest ingredients and time-honored recipes. As you explore the Swiss Jura, you'll encounter a variety of restaurants serving up authentic regional cuisine. Imagine cozying up in a traditional Swiss restaurant and savoring a hearty bowl of fondue or raclette, two quintessential Swiss dishes that are sure to warm you up from the inside out. Or perhaps you'd prefer to indulge in some regional specialties like the succulent Jura ham or the famous Comte cheese, a semi-hard cheese known for its nutty flavor and distinctive aroma. For a truly immersive culinary experience, we recommend visiting one of the local markets and sampling the region's fresh produce. The markets in the Swiss Jura are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a celebration of the area's agricultural heritage. Picture yourself surrounded by vibrant displays of locally grown fruits, vegetables, and other specialty food items. It's a fantastic opportunity to try something new and support the local producers who take pride in their craft. If you're looking for a souvenir to remember your trip by, look no further than the local food products. The Swiss Jura has a range of specialty foods that make for delicious and unique keepsakes. Imagine bringing home some freshly grated truffles, aromatic herbs, or high-quality spices to add a touch of Jura flavor to your own cooking. Not only will these items tantalize your taste buds, but they'll also serve as a reminder of your incredible journey through this picturesque region. As you plan your itinerary, don't miss the chance to attend one of the region's traditional festivals. The Swiss Jura comes alive with color and excitement during its many festivals, each offering a unique glimpse into local culture and traditions. Imagine yourself immersed in the lively atmosphere as you sample local food, watch traditional dances, and enjoy live music that echoes through the picturesque streets. These festivals are not only a fantastic way to experience the local culture, but also an opportunity to create unforgettable memories during your trip. While exploring the enchanting towns and villages of the Swiss Jura, it's essential to stay connected to the internet. That's why we're thrilled to announce that our sponsor offers reliable and fast internet access, allowing you to stay connected wherever you go in the Swiss Jura and beyond. Jura Canton is renowned for its commitment to sustainability and environmental protection, making it an ideal destination for eco-conscious travelers. Throughout the canton, you'll find numerous initiatives and practices that prioritize the well-being of the planet, ensuring that your trip is both enjoyable and responsible. One notable aspect of Jura's commitment to sustainability is its focus on renewable energy sources. The canton has made significant strides in harnessing the power of wind, solar, and hydroelectric energy to meet its electricity needs. This dedication to clean energy not only reduces its carbon footprint, but also provides a model for other regions to follow. Another commendable practice in Jura is its emphasis on organic agriculture and sustainable farming methods. The canton boasts picturesque landscapes dotted with farms and vineyards that prioritize the use of natural fertilizers and pesticides. By supporting local farmers' markets and opting for locally sourced produce, you can contribute to the preservation of these sustainable practices and savor the fresh, wholesome flavors of the region. Jura's commitment to sustainability also extends to its transportation systems. The canton has invested in an extensive network of public transportation, including buses and trains that connect towns and villages, reducing the need for private vehicles. Additionally, Jura encourages cycling and offers numerous bike paths and routes that allow you to explore its scenic beauty while staying eco-friendly. Jura really gets how crucial it is to keep its natural habitats and biodiversity thriving. This beautiful canton boasts some amazing protected areas, like its lush forests that are just perfect for a peaceful hike, rolling hills that invite you to explore, and sparkling lakes that are ideal for a refreshing swim or a relaxing picnic. These spots aren't just pretty, they're home to all sorts of plant and animal species, making them super important. By being mindful of the environment and sticking to sustainable tourism practices, you're not just enjoying these stunning landscapes, you're also playing a part in preserving these delicate ecosystems for future generations. So, next time you're out there, remember that your choices matter, right? Let's keep Jura beautiful together. In conclusion, Jura Canton stands out as a beacon of sustainability and environmental consciousness in Switzerland. Its commitment to renewable energy, organic agriculture, sustainable transportation, and nature conservation makes it an exemplary destination for eco-minded travelers. By choosing Jura for your next trip, you not only get to experience the canton's unique charm and natural beauty, but also contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. So pack your bags and embark on an adventure in Jura, where sustainability meets unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Swiss Jura. We hope you've discovered the beauty, charm, and sustainability that make this region a hidden gem in Switzerland. As you plan your own adventure, we encourage you to embrace the spirit of exploration, immerse yourself in the local culture, and appreciate the natural wonders that await you. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining travel guides. Safe travels and happy exploring in the Swiss Jura and beyond.